this out.
What up, everybody? Unlicensed assassin. Din-din-din. 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 All right, I don't want to waste your time. You already know. Time is precious. New item. Got it at the Ross. Avalanche folding arrow blade pocket knife. 3-inch blade with steel pocket clip. It's stainless steel, so it's a cheapie, but I'm gonna beat it up at work, and then when it breaks, I'm gonna throw it away. I'm not gonna be mad about it. I paid $7 for it, comparable at 10. Okay, it is what it is. You know what I mean? If it cuts, it cuts. Once it doesn't cut anymore, I probably won't try to sharpen it. I'll just throw it away. But I mean, it's got 2023 on the packaging, so it's not that old. I probably will not use it with the pouch that's included. I'll add it to the collection. I think I have carrying case is what they called it, travel ready. I have about 20 of these gosh dang sheaths, but let's get this open. Let's play with it, see if it has any flip action. Says it's lightweight. Let's get the dimensions. It says it's 3 inches. Let's do it. All right, let's do it. And we're gonna use something I never use. It's the Ryobi box cutter, package cutter, whatever cutter. And yeah, green means go. Didn't see a package number on there. Look at that, almost cut the goddamn sheath. Oh well, would have been okay. Like I said, I didn't buy it for this, and it's the thinnest of all the sheaths that I have. All my multi-tools have sheaths. Ergonomics feels good in the hand. Tell you right now, feels real good in the hand. Best part about it, these little indentations right here. 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, 4. So you have no problem placing your hand. And look, 5, 1 or 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No problem and where to place your hand or your finger or your thumb. No questions, no doubts. Okay, I like that. I like it a lot. It looks like I have a flipper. Wow. If this $7 knife come with a flipper, you got to be kidding me. No, it did not flip out the first time. Why? Because that sucker is tight. This paint right here is actually like paint. Good golly, Miss Molly. So that needs to wear off for it to have any flip action. And I'm using wrist flip action. There's no way. Ooh-wee. That thing will break your frickin' compared to the Swiss Tech. And the Swiss Tech flip action. Okay, those are ceramic bearings. These, not so much. Got halfway. I can try to loosen it. Got halfway. And I think I will try to loosen it because that is ridiculous. So, what do I want to use? What do I want to use? Let's just use the first thing that's handy. Dang, that's my small size on this. Not gonna work, sir. That's not gonna work. Okay, so then we're gonna go to the next set that I never use. Let's check this out. Put the knives away so you don't cut yourself. That's the Swiss Tech Wertig, and I think this is the Swiss Tech Grundent. But those ceramic bearings for $20, can't beat it. Those knives will go down in history, I'm sure. Already came with a nick. Don't know if the camera's picking that up. I'm sure it is. iPhone, whatever, 12, I think. And yeah, I do have that size on here. I do believe. Yes. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it by hand. I got it by hand. By hand, my friends. I can loosen it. Oh yeah. We'll get in there. We'll get in there. We'll get in there. You know what? I think I just broke it. Yeah, just lock that fucker up. Okay, we're okay. We're okay. Should I do this on camera or not? Or not? But it looks like we've jammed her up, boys. We've jammed her up nice. We've jammed her up nice. Yeah, we've jammed her up nice. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So. So I heard something fall. Something definitely broke. And it's not working anymore. It's not working anymore. Son of a bitch. Didn't even get 2 days out of this thing. Didn't even get 2 minutes out of this dang thing. Okay. Don't know what's broken there, but seems to be working. Again, I'm going to beat on it. I'm going to break it. And then I'm going to throw it away. And I almost had to throw it away in the first day. That's crazy that I can loosen this, though. I I think this might just be for the belt clip or the pocket clip, I think. So that's what broke the lock. So it'll be a two-handed knife, but I think I broke the lock on it. But I'll keep playing with it. Like I said, I'm gonna beat on it, throw it away. This I just used to get the job done. It did not, I mean, I can loosen it. But then the blade comes out. So I'd rather have it tight in the pocket and not have the blade slip out. See, look, it's slipping out right now. Good gracious. Good gracious. Unsafe. Unsafe. But what was this? This is the Icon little mini ratchet bit set. I gotta find what I dropped. Bro. She annoying me. She annoying me. She annoying me. Something fell, my mates. Something. Something fell and broke on it. I can't find it right now. I'm looking for the second time. Can't really find what broke. Something broke. I heard it fall, but can't find it right now. So we're gonna put a lanyard on it. Put a lanyard on it and rock with it. Fuck it. I ain't scared. I'm a little scared. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared. Yep, right there. I got one more Hunter green lanyard. Toss you on here and call you Stunga. Nervous. Knife ain't even open. Can't even put the goddamn lanyard on it. So, this is the Avalanche 3-inch. Let's confirm. Comes in at 4 inches. And the blade comes in at 3 inches. Okay, so the specs come out right. Comes out at 3 inches. Still like that it has the texture for the hands, for the fingers, I mean. The flip action does not work, but it's the way to open it. It's a two-handed knife. I think if I really flip it with the wrist, I got it, but it's that paint, that painted coating that's preventing it from flipping, having good flip action right out of the gate. But let's see if the pocket clip. Yeah, doesn't slide right on, but it works. So, I mean, it'll work. It's not my best knife, but it might turn out to be my best $6 knife. So, yeah, that's the Avalanche folding arrow blade pocket knife. I do not have an arrow setting on any of my knife things, anatomy. For me, it looks just like the one that's on there, though. Wouldn't you say? Resembles that blade. And yeah. There she goes in all its glory. I guess I can give you the fits in the sheath, no problem. Actually looks smaller in the sheath. That's crazy. Looks big outside the sheath, small inside the sheath. Okay, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up. You know my motto, I can't make you do nothing, but I appreciate you when you do. Unlicensed assassin. Deuces.